Quality Signs and Designs, 775-537-5575.
In this week's court report, recently in court, former NCSO Sergeant Michael Anthony Horn appears for a motion to modify on Friday after being sentenced in district court to 5 years probation connected to the charges of oppression under color of office, misconduct of public officer, theft against person over 60, theft, possession of a controlled substance, and fraudulent appropriation of property. An investigation report states that Horn was taking other people's prescription drugs while on duty. During Horn's recent proceeding, the court admonishes the defense for not submitting proof that the defendant needs to be dropped down to obtain his physical therapist license. The court states it will not drop it down because they have not shown proof. Defense addresses the court and argues. The court reviews in detail the issues with accepting the new deal, which would allow the defendant to hold public office and he would be able to own a firearm. That motion is denied. Notably, Horn successfully completed drug court and probation after being arrested back in 2014 and later sentenced. Also notably, Judge Kim Wonker denied Horn's motion to reduce his felony charges to misdemeanors. Judge Wonker will not allow Horn to drop all of the felony charges. As a convicted felon, Horn is not allowed to get his firearms back. A calendar call is scheduled for January 2020, and pretrial hearings are set for February for the area man arrested and charged with first-degree murder in connection to the death of 3-year-old Yesenia Camp. Cole Engelson appears while in custody for his status check in district court on Monday. During Engelson's proceeding, it's noted that the court wants to make sure Engelson's attorney, Brent Percival, has experts ready for trial. Percival advises the court that expert fees have to be approved for one expert in California and another in Las Vegas. So the court confirms trial dates, and Percival is to file the motion for fees. Notably, during another previous status check, Percival told the court that he has one expert, however, still needs a pedo injury expert. The state objected and argued that the case is more than 2 years old, and Engelson's trial has been continued in the past for the same reasons. The state also notes that there is no possibility of negotiations and requests justice for the deceased young victim. This has been your court report. I'm Eunette Gentry for News 25.